Paleo diet is the oldest and most basic diet which humans have evolved with. It is basic to our biology, our digestive system, and is what provides us with good health. The paleo diet is based on the foods available and consumed by our hunter-gatherer ancestors, foods provided by nature. Our paleolithic ancestors enjoyed a simple diet consisting of animals, poultry and seafood, as well as the leaves and fruits of many plants. This diet kept the human race alive for 5 million years before the first agricultural revolution approximately 10,000 years ago, which has significantly changed up the way we eat today. The natural food sources which make up the paleo diet is an effective weapon against the many health problems commonly linked to modern day processed foods, such as heart disease, cancer, obesity, diabetes, arthritis, Parkinson's, depression and schizophrenia. You may be wondering how the paleo diet could possibly be healthy for us when our ancestors all died at a young age. It is important to know that although our ancestors had a shorter lifespan, it wasn't because of their nutrition. Our ancestors lived in the wild amongst dangerous animals. They had no hospitals or medical supplies, good shelter from storms or lots of clothing to help them stay warm in the colder months. Our ancestors didn't have supermarkets to keep their bodies fueled with energy as we do today. They had to source their food, which was very scarce, especially during the winter months. Although our ancestors died young, an average lifespan of 40 years of age, they did not suffer from chronic illnesses such as cancer, obesity and diabetes. Convincing research points strongly towards diet being the contributing cause for the majority of chronic illnesses so common to us in society. In fact, research studies have concluded that over 70% of all deaths in America are diet related. The theory of following the paleo diet is that any food you can catch and kill or pick and eat is good for you, and this does not include picking processed foods off the supermarket shelf. The paleo diet focuses on consuming foods we as humans evolved to eat, while simultaneously eliminating the over-processed, sugar-laden foods such as grains, dairy and confectionaries. Nutrition has the ability to take charge of our health, wellness and longevity. Whether the nutrition is good or bad, the food we put into our mouth can dramatically alter our hormones, our energy levels and of course our well-being, which means we should also be wary of where our food supply is coming from, and if it holds a strong resemblance in nutritional value to the foods our ancestors ate and intended by Mother Nature. Our ancestors didn't farm chickens, pumping them full of antibiotics and hormones, keeping them in small cages in unsanitary conditions. Our ancestors didn't farm cows for dairy products, pumping them full of growth hormones. Our ancestors did not spray their fruits, berries and vegetables with pesticides, nor did they process or consume grains.